Hey, how's it going? Probably none of y'all know who I am that are clicking on this video, but my name's Adam and this is my channel Built Tough 1776. And in this little Amazon package I got right here that we're about to open, we got a cheap little fun car mod that you can do that'll make your night drives a whole lot more interesting and fun. Let's go ahead and open up this package. Normally when you get your Amazon package delivered to your home, apartment, wherever you live, wherever it's getting delivered, normally this stuff isn't crossed out. I'll give you a hint. I live in the United States, Texas to be more exact. So yeah, let's open up this box and see what modification we got. I mean, you already know what it is by the thumbnail, but we're just gonna have some fun real quick opening the box. Well, opening the packaging. Oh yes, here we go. And here it is, the RGB car LED strip lights by Govee. Let's open up the box. One thing worth mentioning, I should say, before we open up the box is, you know how we all get bored at times and we're always researching on the internet, whatever website that might be, just looking around for fun at stupid stuff. Why? I was looking on Amazon the other day and this just magically popped up on Memorial Day weekend. Thank you for all of you who have served for our country, by the way. And this just popped up on Amazon, and I wasn't really convinced with it at first because it was $22, and you know, you're thinking LED lighting for 22 bucks, probably not good. Well, this has over 40,000 4.5-star reviews on Amazon. That's almost a solid 5 stars. So I figured, okay, I'll try it. I clicked on it. Then when I was looking through at some comments people had put just to see what stupid questions they might ask that would magically occur to my head and I would think as well. Then I scrolled back up to the top, and because I have on my website browser on my MacBook Honey downloaded, which if any of you have ever watched a Mr. Beast video, Honey is like the main people that support Mr. Beast and paying for his videos. And holy crap, Honey is it really works, because as soon as I added it to my cart and was going to check out, I got a 50% off coupon that I applied to this $22 item. So it was 11 bucks, and then after tax a little over $12 I paid. So I don't care if this doesn't start working and only works for one day and breaks tomorrow. I still got to have fun ordering it and making a video. So now we'll actually open up the box. Just wanted to let y'all know that. Okay, so we're gonna open up the box now. It's got nice graphics and decals along it. And I'm just looking around the box, and it's got lots of cool, 16 million colors. You can adjust the brightness, do-it-yourself designs, music modes, and I might do a demonstration, maybe not, I don't know. There's an app that you can use to control all this stuff besides just the basic controller they give you that you install in your car or truck, whatever it is you're putting it on. And just looking back here, you already know it's high quality since it's made in China, so it's some quality stuff. And I know this because I watched the video, and all this is it plugs into your cigarette lighter, your 12 volt, wherever that is in the car, and you just have to have the car's ignition on to give power to the 12 volt, and then you're good to go with this. So let's open up this box. Opens up real nice. There's no tape that you need to get break. Oh yes. Oh, and they give you zip ties too. Okay, so we have some instructions. Oh, and they show you where to find the app in Google Play and the Apple App Store. Some screws, don't know why I need that, but sure. This is what we might actually use. That's handy. Thank God they gave us some zip ties. And here's that 12 volt I was talking to you about. Push on. Okay, that looks really stupid. And then here's that controller. And I don't know what this does besides that turns it on and off right there. It's got a little sticky part on the back to put wherever you want. then here's the 4 lights. So let's check out the instructions, and I'll probably do like a little layout, because in the instructions it shows you how it will go in your car. So I'll lay that out for us real quick to figure out how we're going to install it in the car. All right, well, I got everything buttoned down. Let me show y'all what I did. So there's the plug-in spot. I really don't like this, but it's the way it's going to be. The cord just goes right there. Then my controller's right here mounted on the side of my center console. I know it says to have 1 cord running on each side, but I just ran them both on this side. It's just nicer that way. And okay, so moving to the back, we got both them running from right here in the middle of my center console on the driver's side. As you can see, one goes down, and there's the light mounted down under the seat. And over here, same thing. And moving to the front, so it comes around the door, same on the other side. The door comes around the seat, same on the other side. Then I pop this plastic panel up, comes all the way through here, hiding, you don't see it, and comes out right here. And one thing to mention on the driver's side, you want to make sure that you don't get this cord wrapped around for your hood, and make sure you don't mess up the spot to get to your OBD port. But as you can see, it's all mounted up. I haven't turned it on yet, so I think what I'm supposed to do is press this button, and it should glow red, and it's on. So let's turn it on. There's strobing. I haven't messed with any of the modes yet. We'll wait for nighttime because you can't really see nothing right now in the day. See if they're working back here. Would you looky there? We got lights, boys. All right, so to continue this video, we're gonna fast forward to nighttime, so I'll see y'all then. As you can see from that B-roll, it's nighttime now, and I'm finally getting to test out the lights, and they're pretty freaking sweet. So the power button is that first button, the farthest one away. Then the middle changes the color. So this is just solid preset colors. Once I get the app, you can do way more. This is pretty freaking sweet. Then the next button, the farthest one down, is the different modes. Well, that's pretty much gonna wrap up the video, guys. I know it's dark, you can't even see me really. But as you can see, the lights put on a show, and they're pretty freaking sweet. I think my favorite light by far so far is just the solid colors and the white, because it's not obnoxious. It just lights up the cabin, and you can actually drive around with it without really distracting you. But these lights are pretty freaking sweet for $20. I'll leave a link down below in the description for y'all to click on to that Amazon link. And hey, if you get that honey downloaded, you might even get that 50% off, and it'll help you when buying pretty much anything. Of course, I'm a tiny channel. You think I'm just helping them out. I'm not. You think I'm sponsored by them or something? No. But I just want to help you guys out. And the only plug I'll do for myself in this video is if you're new to the channel, like I said at the beginning of this video, probably none of y'all really have seen any of my other videos. I'm not your typical YouTuber. I stick to the automotive content, as you can tell from this stupid mod. And I'm a little country, you know, but that's all right. But the plug I'll do is check out Build Tough 1776, the channel you're watching right now. Check around, see if you like any of the other videos. Drop some comments down for stuff you want me to do, anything, and I'll consider it, guys. And hey, I really appreciate it if you would help a guy out if you subscribed. But it's okay, do what you gotta do. I don't care. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and go get you some of these lights. I mean, they're cheap. Go support that stuff that's made in China.